Hello.
Hello.
My name is Katie.
My name is Riley.
And we are going to sing and then put on a movie marathon.
Yeah.
Okay. 3, 2, 1. Go! Let it go! Can't hold it back anymore. Let it go! Let it go! Turn my back and slam the door. And here I stand. And here... Oh, stop. Okay. Movie marathon now. Sit. Hello again.
Hello again.
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 As you know, my name's Katie.
As you know, my name's Riley.
We have a very special movie
Yeah.
marathon.
Yes. Very special guest.
Please welcome
To
Elsa of Arendelle. And she wants to sing something for her fans.
Yay.
That is her song. She also wants to say something.
Yeah.
Let's get her to stand up. She's kind of shy.
Hello. I'm Elsa of Arendelle. I have a very special announcement. I'm getting married to a person named Jack.
Jack Frost in that pet. That kind of rhymes. I don't know what we're going to do yet. None of us do. I haven't even announced it to my sister. So you are the first people to know.
I'm your sister.
No. And we also don't have a picture of her husband yet. But, well, her future husband. But we do have a torch thingy
Yes.
to circle
We
around
do,
her head.
of course we do, because she's my sister.
I'm not your sister. I'm your friend.